Welcome back, guys, to another food adventure.
Interesting.
Oh, wow. We are going to be trying some spicy exotic things at the North Gate Night Market in Chiang Mai. But first, we're going to be having the most famous dish up here in the north part of Thailand, khao soy. My name is Bert. I traded my drumsticks in for chopsticks, and now I'm on a journey around the world to explore music, culture, food, and live life to the fullest. What's going on, everybody? Today I'm here in Chiang Mai and I'm going to be trying a restaurant called Nan Zao Watip. It's a local restaurant. It's a very popular place. The quality of their khao soy is awesome. So let's go check this place out.
Then we have the topping on the table.
Yeah. Cookfood is okay. Cookfood,
Topping, alright.
Very nice. And so what are these toppings? Lemon?
Lemon, onion, vegetable, yes, and chili.
Ooh, the chili is my favorite. And then you've got these ones right here.
This one for noodle.
Oh, noodle. They're not for khao soy. And then this one?
This for khao soy.
Okay, all three.
Yes.
We got the lemon, we got the pickled vegetables, and then we have got a good amount of onions on here. Plus, we've got put sauce. It's basically the peppers that are grinded up. I got extra lemon. Also, they've got one piece of chicken in here, like a really nice drumstick. And yeah, all these noodles. These are the egg noodles. Fried noodles are on top. Got the onions. Everything is just marinating in here. I'm gonna give this a try right now. The khao soy has got that nice curry flavor, very turmeric-y and savory. The chicken is just melt in your mouth, tender. That chicken is just so amazingly fresh, and the way they cooked it is just to perfection. The noodles are bouncy and kind of jiggly, fried up pieces of noodle. Got a nice crunch. This place, I noticed, is very packed in the early morning, and then later on in the afternoon, the foreigners all come here, and it's just a very popular spot. And it's right next to all the temples, right in the old city. Just taste that love that was cooked in, the homemade stuff, that chicken, all the oils have just kind of soaked into this soup. This is the good stuff. And you can get this all over Chiang Mai. I highly recommend this restaurant if you want like a more clean, just really tasty khao soy. And just all these sauces and spices just wake you up in the morning and make you feel alive and really can make your day very bright. Kapong Kap Aroi Mak Mak. Very Aroi khao soy. Thank you. And yeah, so that whole meal was just about 50 baht. Well, not about, but it was 50 baht. Yeah, we're on to the next place. Oh wow, it is really bright out here. The sun came out just now. It is the rainy season here in Thailand. But yeah, that was the best khao soy I've had so far. Trying these street vendors, you know, there's a lot of great places. And this place is open from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. So they're not open at nighttime. You gotta get in there before, 3 o'clock to make sure you're getting the best quality stuff, because as the day goes on, they run out of their supplies and they buy new stuff for the next day. Chiang Mai has got a big wall surrounding it with a moat, and that's one of the reasons why the mosquitoes are so bad here. The moat actually is a breeding ground for mosquitoes, which is not very good for tourists like me. Also, crossing the street here in Chiang Mai can be a really big hassle. I recommend you use the crossing areas. In Chiang Mai, you can definitely wait like 5 or 10 minutes just to cross the road here. It is sometimes very hard, so I definitely recommend you use the crosswalks because it is brutal here. They definitely don't stop unless they have got the red light. But yeah, now we're off to the next place, and there's a lot more amazing food to try other than khao soy here. Here in Chiang Mai, they've got some amazing places to wash your clothes. A lot of them are 50 baht for just 1 kilogram. But I found a place here, Jay's Guest House, has got a machine right here that is automated that like you pay 20 baht and you can do a full load. So you can actually do a load twice the size of this or 3 times the size of this. And so we're gonna do it right now, and this would be like around 100 baht to wash if you were just in one of these other places. So yeah, here we go. We're gonna put the clothes inside. There we go. Oh yeah, there's a lot of clothes in there. I get out my laundry detergent, and then we are gonna put the 20 baht in. 1, 2. Thank you. Very nice. Definitely check this place out. This is a really good place if you are on a budget. You can stay here for $4 per night if you want. And I'm gonna pick up the laundry in 1 hour. Right now we're gonna go to the night market on the North Gate and check out what they got over there and eat some amazing food and have some delicious smoothies. It is a very nice night tonight. The night market just started not long ago. Here in Chiang Mai, they got like a special night market at least 2 days a week from what I know, but they might even have other special holiday markets and stuff that they have. They close down whole streets to hold their markets. It's a lot of fun. So this place is definitely somewhere you gotta go and map out the right day so you're not gonna miss out on a really fun time at the market. We have just got to the North Gate Market just now. We're gonna see what we can find over here. It is a Saturday, so they might have some vendors that are not here right now. Like my smoothie guy, so he's not here, unfortunately. But yeah, they definitely have got this pork place over here that is really a hit amongst the locals and the foreigners here. So we're gonna go to that place. We've got khao soy right here for 50 baht, which is definitely something you gotta try. And then we got baked potatoes at this stand. And then over here, we've got the crunchy, fatty, good pork. And they put that on top of rice. And they got some seafood right here. This one, yeah. With the egg. Okay. 60 baht. Yeah. Thank you. Perfect. Double cup. Oh, perfect. Thank you. We have made it here to my very favorite pork place here in Chiang Mai. This place is rocking off the chain. There's so many people here, and they're mostly locals. This place is called Cowboy Hat Lady.
Yes.
And how long has it been in business for? How long has this place been going?
It's this third generation.
Third generation.
50 years.
50.
50 years.
50 years. And so you're the cowboy hat lady.
Yeah.
Nice cowboy hat. And this is It Aroi Mak Mak. And so 50 years. This stand has been here for 50 years. North Gate, Chiang Mai.
Interesting.
Oh, wow. Aroi, very nice. And they have got some amazing pork bits and pieces, and it's super fatty, super delicious. Khao Mu is the name of this dish. It comes with rice and a soft boiled egg, and then it's got some of the pickled vegetables that are really famous here in Chiang Mai. And then they put a little bit of that broth on. This stuff is mouth-watering, you guys. I highly recommend anybody to come here. It's my third time here, but I'm gonna show you guys because I just love this place. I'm gonna eat here again. Gotta have it. And here is my pork right now. Thank you. Kapong Kap Aroi. This is the North Gate Market, and they're open every single day, I believe, except for possibly Monday. And this only costs 60 baht, so that's a little bit less than $2 for this really great meal. Let's get this sauce in here. So this sauce is with ginger, some chili, and then some other secret herb spices. But yeah, mostly it's just ginger in this sauce. We got the egg with the yolk inside that's kind of like lightly cooked. This dish is not spicy itself, but these peppers are. So Thai people, they love spice, so they love to bite into this and then take a bite of the rice or the pork. Let's give this a try. Absolutely amazing. The egg is just so yolky, and the way they cook it, it's just so ooey and gooey. Just melts in your mouth just like that pork fat. The combination of this dish is amazing. And then this sauce right here, you just cannot go wrong with this stuff. And you can kind of customize it the way you want. These people here at this stand really know what they're doing, and they do it every day the same way without fail, about 6 days a week. So you definitely gotta hit them up when you're here in Chiang Mai. In Thailand, when you want the bill, you just say Kitan, and then that is the way you ask for the check. Well, thank you very much. I'm gonna be back every day. Come back here. Kapong Kap. Aroi, aroi.
She intentionally very happy for you.
Oh, thank you. And this is your grandma. Grandma?
No, it's she.
That's you. Oh wow, that's you.
Look like grandma.
Oh wow. This is a third generation business. So yeah, it all started with the grandma and then passed on to the second generation and now it's third generation. So yeah, cowboy hat lady right here. So you gotta come here. If you come to the north gate of Chiang Mai, you must check this place out. It is a local staple. Now I'm here at the sausage lady and she has got some amazing sausage going on here. This sausage is called Sayua and it is one of my favorite sausages here in Chiang Mai. Khao, Aroi. Thank you very much. And I got a very special lemongrass and chili pepper sausage. Let me pull this thing out of the bag. This is what it looks like right here. Very juicy and lemongrassy and very savory. And I'm gonna give this a try. This is my favorite sausage when I'm here in Chiang Mai or in the north part of Thailand. It's an explosion of lemongrass and pork fat and flavor. A little bit of spice, but not too much. My favorite sausage in Thailand is this lemongrass sausage. You gotta try it. Any of the vendors will do. This place is really good though too. The casing is nice and snappy. The inside is just full of that lemongrass flavor. With no sugar though. When you are in Thailand, definitely indulge in the fruit smoothies. They got a lot of different fruit shakes that you can get, and this one is a papaya, but they've got dragon fruit, mango, and they've even got ones that are mixed up and completely customized to your taste. And yeah, cheers you guys. There's no sugar in this. I asked for no sugar, but yeah, you can obviously add some sugar to make it more sweet. Very refreshing. Papaya is really good for you. It's got a lot of enzymes to help you digest your food, and yeah, it's very nice. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it the thumbs up. Check out this video down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Today, I'm here in Chiang Mai, Chinatown to explore cuisine that has been fusioning here for hundreds of years between the Chinese and the Thai people.
ได้